This has fractional bases, so it'll be interesting, and I'm going to use Excel to help us understand it. Now, what we learned in class was how to use the change of base formula and logarithms in Excel to do solving for x, and then we talked about how in this section it's easier sometimes, in fact a lot of times it's simpler to try to rewrite one of the sides of your equation so that they have the same base, and then you can set the exponents equal to each other. So that's what we're going to try to do here. I'm going to try to see if I can change this fraction on the right so that it's an exponential expression with a base of 5/4. And so I've set it up here where I put the numerator on the left, 5/4, the numerator and the denominator, and then the right side expression, 64/125. All right, so now I'm just going to put the x here, which is our exponent on the left, and the exponent on the right would be 1 if, well, I guess I could put it in here, x and +1. And then we're going to change it so that it looks to me like 5 could be the base of 125. So I'm going to flip this fraction by changing the exponent on that expression to -1. So then I will have the 125 on top and the 64 on the bottom. And I haven't done anything to my left-hand side. All right, next I'm going to see what powers could I raise. What could I raise 5 to the power of to get 125? If I raise 5 to the power of 3, I'll get 125. Let's just check that. 5 to the power of 3 is 125. Does it work for 4 as well? Equals 4 to the power of 3. Yes, so I'm going to change the exponent on, just copy this first. I'm going to change the exponent here to a -3 so that then this can be a base of 5 and this can be a base of 4. So now I've got my base is the same. That means my exponents have to be the same as well, which means that x is equal to -3. Now I'm going to check it. If x is -3 and I take 5/4 to the power of -3, oops, I have some extra stuff in there, 3 to the power, I'm going to caret, of, hang on, it's all kind of messed up, let me try starting over fresh, equals base 5/4 to the power of x, and I'm saying x is -3. Is that the same thing as 64/125? So let's see. I don't need that there. And they are equivalent. So that's a verification. So I'm going to put in here x is -3.